I'm Holly Clegg. Welcome to my trim and terrific kitchen. Are you looking for an easy chicken dinner, one that you don't even have to turn on the oven? Well, today's recipe is perfect for that. It's just a chicken taco salad. And if you're looking for something that's super satisfying and simple, my taco salad recipe is just that. And I also have a little different spin on it I'm going to show you. So I start with some yellow rice, and I've cooked it. You know the little packages you get in the grocery? This is just yellow rice that I've cooked, and you want to let it cool. And then basically we're going to add our ingredients. These are some cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes that you've cut in half. Here's some reduced fat shredded cheese. I like to keep my recipe a healthy taco salad. And here's a little tip for you, black beans, but you always want to rinse and drain your beans. You could reduce the sodium by up to 40% for doing that. And then some red onion, which is a little sweeter. Look at all these gorgeous colors. And then I like to add some mixed greens, and I just always say buy the shredded lettuce that you in the packages. And then this is a great recipe for leftover rotisserie chicken, leftover grilled chicken salad, whatever, and you want to always remove the skin. Wasn't rotisserie chicken the greatest invention ever? Now, this is one of those entree salads. All right, let's see if I could toss this without getting it everywhere. That's usually never at least it's my kitchen if I'm getting it messed up. But it's a great combination of flavors with the, if I can show you, the yellow rice and the chicken, so it becomes hearty. It's a wonderful chicken main dish salad. Now, you could use whatever dressing you want, vinaigrette, but I'm gonna show you a real quick salsa vinaigrette. So you take your favorite salsa, oops, and then just a little olive oil, lime juice, chili powder, and cumin gives it that little smoky flavor. Whisk it together, and you can keep this separate and toss it when you're ready to do, or let everybody add their own. This is a great summer salad recipe that, as I said, will fill you up but not out. And the recipe for the taco chicken salad is in the link below. See you in the kitchen.